Mom, I want to tell you something, but please promise, you will not get mad.
Of course, you can tell me anything. I promise to listen calmly.
Today at school, I said something really mean to my best friend, and now I feel very awful.
What happened?
We were working on a class project. He made a mistake while drawing, so I got frustrated. I said, "Why do you always ruin everything?" in front of everyone.
Oh, that must have really hurt him.
Yes. He didn't say anything. He just stayed quiet the whole time. And now I think I broke our friendship.
I see. Firstly, I am happy that you are being honest about what happened today. Let me ask you, why do you think you said that?
I was stressed and wanted it to be perfect, but I know I shouldn't have spoken like that.
You're right. We all get upset sometimes, but our words can leave scars, especially when they come from someone close.
But I didn't mean it. I just said it without thinking. I wish I could take it back.
No, sweetie. You can't erase what was said, but you can make it right. A real apology is powerful. Not just saying, sorry, but really meaning it.
Got it, Mom. Should I talk to him tomorrow?
Yes. Tell him the truth that you were frustrated and you made a mistake. Also let him know that you didn't mean to hurt him. I am sure he'll appreciate your honesty, but make sure you listen to how he feels too.
Okay, I'll do that. I don't want to lose him as a friend.
You know, sometimes mistakes can actually make a friendship stronger if you have the courage to admit them and learn from them.
Thanks, Mom. I'll fix this tomorrow.
I'm proud of you, sweetie, for owning up to it. Remember, kind words heal, but hurtful words can take time to forget. You choose them carefully.
Yes, Mom. Now I got it. It's okay to make mistakes, but it's important to say sorry, take responsibility, and learn from them. Real strength comes from kindness and honesty.
Exactly. Now go get some rest. Tomorrow's a new day.
Okay, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, sweetie.